Alright, hey guys. Today, I'm going to show you Cattle Ranch and where to find the cattle ranch. So let me just think. You can only have single player. There should be a save game. I'll save pup Ember right there. Okay. So your puppies don't really matter in this. I'm not going to do anything with puppies. I'm just going to do the calf and killing that. All about that. So first, I'm just going to run. Don't go there. Please don't go there. Not yet. Not yet. As you can see, I have food for the pups. That was because, it literally says it. It says that, elk are kind of hard to kill. But killing the cattle ranch is really easy. All you have to do is one bite, but first, I'm just going to tell you. So I have my den right here. So I'm just going to go back to the den and feed them. Just because, I said I wasn't going to care for them. But I want to show you guys how to get there. So if you want to just do the calf of cattle ranch, I don't know if it gives you any points. I don't think it does. But it's a very, very good trick if you want to just feed your puppies without having to hunt. I mean, it's very good if you want to hunt. I mean, you should hunt. But the calf of cattle ranch is very easy. The only thing is that you can die, too, if you stay in there too long once the dogs start barking. But I will show you what I mean in a second after I feed them. There's my neat Prancer. She's a female. I'm a male. So what you want to do is you want to have the secret den up here. You're going to need to, you don't have to. You can have the dens over here. Or over here, or over here. It doesn't really matter. But the thing is, if you just want food, and you have over 7,500 experience, you'll have unlocked the secret den, which means you can go here anytime. Which is definitely easier if you want to go to the cattle ranch, which is over here. So I'm going to exit, and I'm going to go that way. As you can see, I'm going down to the Slough Creek. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. I'm going to head down here. You want to cross the river, right here. And you want to head through, these trees. There should usually be a little rock down the way. I'll show you what I mean in a second. Like I said, I'm not going to be caring for my puppies. I'm just showing you a nice little trick if you don't want to hunt elk. Or anything like that. Or any moose. Okay. So as you can see, oh, you didn't really get to see, but there's a wide space. I'm just going to go back up a little bit so I can show you where I am. It's about around here. There's a forest here, a bit of trees right here, and about right here, this little patch. You're going to run right here, visit the ranch. But the first thing about this place that I am going to tell you is that the cow will start moving once you get in there. You have to jump through, and you have to immediately kill the calf first. Don't just run around. You have to jump over the fence. There's no opening. But you need to kill it, the calf, as fast, as quick as possible. Get all the food. There's usually enough time for that. But don't stick around, you know why? Because once the dogs start barking, not long after, there is actually an achievement for dying here. The only way to die is because the rancher will kill you, and he'll shoot you. It's called Bark Bark Bang. But you don't want that. You only want to die here. So you don't want the cows to move. You don't want the dogs to start barking, or you will get shot. I don't know if you get shot when you're running, but I know if you're just standing still and getting food or just sitting down, and yes, you can die. As you can see, game is paused. There's I think the calf right there. So we're gonna head over there. And to jump over for PCs, it's just X. Yeah, the calf. So here's the calf. It looks like this. And oh no, you don't want to run into the. Oh, okay, I'm gonna leave. if that happens and they are continuing to definitely leave, because you don't want the dogs to start barking when you haven't even killed the calf yet. Okay, I don't care. That was rude. Alright, visit the ranch. So we're back here. Where's the calf this time? Oh, right there. Okay, good. You don't want to run into any cow, because I'm gonna chase you. Right here. That's good. That's good. That's good. It only takes about like 1 or 2 hits, and it looks very small, so it's very easy to see. As you can hear, the dogs are barking. So you want to collect all the food you can and get out of there as quick as possible, or he will shoot you. The farmer. Because I would want wolves, but I wouldn't want them killing my cow. So we're gonna, try to survive, and that's kind of the trick. It's very, very easy, and of course, you can just head back. Watch this. So when I head back to okay, I think you have to leave the area first, and then come back to get some more food. Yes, and we're gonna turn around, and hopefully we can go back there. Yes, you have to leave the area first. Okay, there we go. As you can see, we're back in. I don't really feel like getting the calf, and you don't want to make them move. But yeah, that's like kind of all the things. The thing is, if you want to get the food and you don't want to die, it's don't make the cows moo. Don't run into a cow because then they'll chase you off. Kill the calf and eat its carcass as quickly as you can. Once you hear the dogs barking and you've already got the calf, go away as fast as you can. This is what you use to go away. This right here. Jump into it, and it says, do you want to leave or continue? But I don't want to either. Just gonna run around. Things, you can't leave this place, I don't think. And you can't see the map either, so you don't know where it actually is. But yeah, that's like my tutorial of how to do this. First of all, if you don't feel like just going back and forth, because you won't get, I don't think, any experience from doing this, yep, I would definitely recommend just hunting the elk. It's like, see, I didn't gain any experience. You can see like, oh wait, look, you got like 100. No, that was because I fed my puppies and that gave me 10. But anyway, I thank you guys for looking at this video. Shout out to Blazin. Shout out to Blazin, Carol, and Mamie. I will show you them if you want to be their friends. I'm just kidding. They do play this Prancer. What are you doing? Prancer, Prancer, Prancer. But one thing that I do want to do is I kind of want to go see the wolves up there. But at the same time, I know that's not going to happen. So, thank you guys for watching this video about the cattle ranch. I'm more than sure that you can do this on any device. Currently, I'm on the PC. So, it's very easy for me. But what I was saying is, it's in this little graph right here. All you need to do is walk up there and say, visit the ranch. Yeah. Voila, you got a nice little bar of food. I can't see it. But you have like it gets full if you have like a little bit and then you kill it. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. And bye.